Thanks for stopping by. This is 2 Minute Classroom, and today we're talking about viscosity. I'll first give a general definition of viscosity, and then we'll look at some examples to make sure it's crystal clear. Viscosity refers to a substance's resistance to flow, in essence, how fluid it is. A substance with a low viscosity will have very little resistance to flow, meaning it flows easily and quickly, while a substance with high viscosity will strongly resist flow, meaning it flows very slowly. Let's look at some examples. Water has a low viscosity. It flows easily, spills out of a glass, splashes in a pool, and runs down your face when you cry. Other examples of low viscosity fluids include oil, milk, and blood. Honey has a high viscosity because it has a high resistance to flow. You have to squeeze the container to get it out, it globs up, and has to be spread around with a knife. It does not easily flow. Other examples of high viscosity fluids include molasses, glue, and even peanut butter, which has such a high viscosity it acts like a solid. It's also important to note that viscosity varies with temperature. Heating up honey in the microwave decreases its viscosity. And finally, be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos to save more time in your studies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.